Symbisa is a sensor array on a board. Each of these sensors are live linked through a add-in that goes to a custom function within Microsoft Office 365. What Symbisa does, it allows Excel to connect with the real world without any engineering or any specialist knowledge.
I worked specifically on the device, the Symbisa device, and I developed the firmware for it. So the features we are more excited about the Office 365 are the streamed function, because basically it integrates really well with what we want to do with Symbisa. The great thing about the Excel add-in, it relieved us a lot of effort and development and time for everything that concerns the front end, and in the same way offering users a powerful tool to really manipulate their data.
So one of our retail customers here in the UK is John Lewis. The challenge John Lewis had is that they have to take ownership of devices that are going back to returns that may have sensitive data on them. What they are using Symbisa for is to attach the Symbisa device to a cage. And now just by doing that on a spreadsheet, they can now start tracking how that cage is moving through their internal network.
Symbisa is a great product for us for two main reasons. The first is that the tracker is really fully functioned. It gives us a very live and granular view of where the items that we're tracking. The second thing which is great about it is the integration with Microsoft Excel. The team in head office who look after this area already use Microsoft Excel for their analysing and interpreting of data that's going on within the return supply chain. The fact that the Symbisa trackers feed information directly through to the Excel spreadsheet on their desk means it's very easy for them to work live information into the analytics that they're doing.
So Symbisa is a bridge, or each cell actually becomes a window to the real world from within Excel. And that's super powerful. And if Excel didn't exist, it's not clear to me why Symbisa would exist.